Yep. All right, so I'm going to start off my my body prep with, I think this, I would call it wheel arch. Not that I need to because it's all going to get covered up, but all of these little divots I'm going to fill in. Some of the wowies and yada, all this other crap in here, and make it look truly spectacular. So I'll take more pictures than I will movies, I think, but pretty pleased with how it's still turned out. So there we go. Oh yeah, I need to find a before picture, but I filled all this crap in with weld, and you ground it down. So what I had in here before was Swiss cheese. Let me see how the back. Yeah, back is just as good. Filled it in with welding, ground it down, and it looks pretty gosh darn good. So I'm not too displeased. I'm getting a lot better with my welder. Well, there we go. I've got some Bondo on some low spots. I realize these are just what do you call it, spot welds, but I'm trying to make this thing look nice inside and out. I've got a few other spots I'm going to do, some low spots in there, but it's late. I really want to go to bed. And here we go. I haven't done squat with the front end. I'm probably not going to. Not until my plan is to. God dang it. My plan is to smooth all these out, make them look nice, and then prime this thing. I've been fighting a little bit of flash rust, so I'm gonna nick that in the bud. I need to do some of that too. And again, just some areas that were spot welded. I'll weld all those. God dang it. What do you? Goddamn! It's late. Smooth all those down. There we go. I got some sandblasting in here to do. That won't be tough. This area up in here, I had welded in. I just smoothed it out so it'll look nice. I'm not sure putting Bondo here was wise, because at one point I'm going to have a, what do you call it, the structural support thing. And all throughout here, again, these are spot weld areas I'm just filling in and I'm smoothing out. Did a little bit of work here in the trunk. I've got lots more to do. Lots more to do. And some rust up there in the corners. That's not too bad. And some smoothing out, a little bit more rust, etc., etc. Lots of good. What do you call it? Walnut shells. I'm thinking about resifting and reusing all this stuff. I'm such my dad's son that way. And again, a few other little low spots here, but I'll get to those probably in my second pass. Pretty happy about how well it still looks with all the stripping I did. And I've got tomorrow off. I'll spend part of my day doing this. And I may be priming this on the weekend. Today's Friday, February 1st, 2018. So today's Thursday, February 1st, 2018. Tomorrow's the 2nd. So I'll probably be doing this either Wednesday. God damn. I'm going to give up. My mind is mush. It's tired. Alright, so I'm done with what I wanted to do here, which was fill in some of the low spots and divots and prime the stuff I've done. You can see where the Bondo will soak in primer. So I don't really care right now. Got some rework there to do. I'm trying to fill that kind of stuff in. Guess I must have missed it. And I had a little bit of paint run there, but maybe you can't see it too well. Yeah, there. And some rework in there to do, but that's not too awfully tough. That's a half a day's work. Some of this I'm going to scrape back off when I put the supports back on. That won't be tough either to recover from. And again, you can see the spots where I've done some fill. This is not by far the finished product. not by far. I've got other, let's see, some stuff in there to do, little tiny pinholes. And on the other side, I've got, you know, this is probably the best side that I've done here, the best arch, with a lot of work in it. And you can see that I've got, you know, some rework in there. I've got a piece of metal to weld up in there, something to weld up in there. And I ran out of one kind of a primer and went to a different one, so that's why there's a different color. This, you can also see where the Bondo is sucking in the primer. Again, that's not uncommon. Once you put a good thick proper coat of epoxy primer or something on this, it's good to go. Or primer surfacer, there's all kinds of products. The stuff I'll be using is matched to this, so I'll let this cure overnight. I'm done for the night anyway. I actually had, as you can kind of see, I found a bunch of rust in there that I cut out and filled in. Did a weld job. Should have taken a before and after picture, but I didn't. Well, let's see. Is there anything else to talk about? No, I'm pretty much done with this this one minor phase. What's next, I think, is going to be the actual body work. Well, no, I shouldn't say that. I want to do this. I want to do that lip. I'm going to have to replace that thing because it's looking pretty bad. I'll need to flatten this out a little bit, but it's this horizontal vertical piece, thank you, that I'll need to be taking down and replacing somehow. Yep.